Here are some amazing facts about the house sparrow. General facts. The house sparrow is a small bird in the sparrow family, Passeridae. Its scientific name, Passer domesticus, means sparrow of the house. It's native to most of Europe, the Mediterranean region, and much of Asia. House sparrows have successfully spread to many parts of the world, including the Americas, Africa, and Australia. They are highly adaptable and thrive in urban and rural environments. House sparrows are sexually dimorphic. Males and females have different plumages. Males have a distinctive black bib and gray crown, while females are plain brown. The average lifespan of a house sparrow is about 3 to 5 years in the wild, though they can live up to 13 years in captivity. House sparrows are small, typically 14 to 16 centimeters, 5.5 to 6.3 in long, with a wingspan of 21 to 25 centimeters, 8.3 to 9.8 in. Despite their small size, they are robust birds and can live in various climates. Behavior and social structure. House sparrows are highly social and often found in flocks. They are primarily ground feeders, often seen hopping around parks, gardens, and streets. Sparrows are known to be very noisy, often chirping loudly while in groups. They form monogamous pairs for breeding, but polygamy has been observed. House sparrows often engage in communal roosting, especially during winter. These birds are diurnal, active during the day and sleeping at night. Sparrows are opportunistic feeders and adapt their diet according to availability. House sparrows are known for their agility and can often be seen dodging traffic or people in urban areas. They are highly territorial, especially during breeding season. Nesting and reproduction. House sparrows typically build nests in crevices of buildings, under roofs, or in tree holes. They also use artificial nest boxes provided by humans. Their nests are made of grass, straw, feathers, paper, and other soft materials. Females usually lay 3 to 5 eggs per clutch. Eggs hatch after about 11 to 14 days of incubation. Both parents take part in incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. Fledging occurs around 2 weeks after hatching. House sparrows can raise multiple broods in a single breeding season, which lasts from early spring to late summer. Chicks are fed a diet of insects, which provides the protein needed for growth. Feeding habits. Adult house sparrows primarily eat seeds and grains. They also consume small insects, particularly during the breeding season. House sparrows are known to forage around human settlements, scavenging food scraps. They have been observed eating fruits, vegetables, and even flower buds. They use their strong beaks to crack open seeds and grains. During the winter, when food is scarce, they often rely on bird feeders. They are also known to steal food from other birds or animals. Interaction with humans. House sparrows are closely associated with human settlements and rarely found far from them. Their population has boomed with the growth of agriculture and urbanization. In some cultures, sparrows are considered symbols of companionship and hope. House sparrows were introduced to North America in the 19th century, where they quickly spread across the continent. Sparrows are often seen bathing in dust, which helps remove parasites. They've been the subject of various studies due to their adaptability to urban life. In the past, sparrows were considered pests in some regions due to their habit of eating crops. Sparrows can often be seen perching on window sills, rooftops, or garden fences. They've adapted to using urban materials such as string, paper, and plastic in their nests. Ecological role. House sparrows play a crucial role in controlling insect populations by feeding on insects like caterpillars and aphids. Their droppings help fertilize the soil, contributing to nutrient cycling in ecosystems. They compete with native bird species for nesting sites and food resources in some areas. House sparrows are preyed upon by cats, hawks, and other predators. They are known to be hosts for various parasites and diseases, such as mites and avian malaria. Population and conservation. The house sparrow is listed as a species of least concern by the IUCN due to its widespread population. However, their numbers have declined significantly in certain regions, such as Europe and parts of Asia. Habitat loss, pollution, and changes in food availability have been linked to these declines. In urban areas, lack of nesting sites and fewer insects due to pesticide use have also contributed to their decline. Conservation efforts in some countries focus on providing artificial nesting sites and ensuring a safe food supply. Citizen science projects, such as bird counts, have been used to track sparrow populations over time. Cultural significance. House sparrows have been featured in literature, poetry, and folklore throughout history. In ancient Greece, sparrows were associated with the goddess Aphrodite, symbolizing love and desire. Sparrows were used in Roman times to symbolize household gods and domestic life. In Christian tradition, sparrows are mentioned in the Bible as a symbol of God's care for even the smallest creatures. Sparrows have been kept as pets in various cultures due to their friendly and tame nature.